Peace be upon you, friends. Today's topic is how to perform ghusl after menstruation. After your period's end, doing ghusl is necessary to become completely pure. In Islam, ghusl has 3 compulsory farz steps: rinsing the mouth so water reaches every part, putting water into the nose, and cleaning it properly, washing the entire body so no area stays dry. How to do it? Start with the intention. I am performing ghusl to become pure. Wash your hands, then wash the private parts. Make wudu as usual. Pour water over your head 3 times so the roots of the hair get wet. Then wash the whole body, first the right side, then the left, making sure every part is covered with water. This completes your ghusl, and you become fully purified. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Deen Kai Batin. Point 77.